Dear friends, champagne is a luxurious drink known worldwide for its unique taste and bubbles. Have you ever wondered how this bubbly drink is produced in a factory? In this video, we are going to take you on a journey from vineyards to bottling and learn how champagne is made. The process of champagne making starts with the grapes grown in the vineyards. The grapes used for champagne are Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and Pinot Meunier. They are hand-picked in late September and early October when they are fully ripe and have the perfect balance of sugar and acid. After the grapes are hand-picked, they are sent to the pressing house where they are pressed to extract the juice. The juice is stored separately based on the grape variety and quality. The first pressing is the best quality and is used to make the premium champagne, while the subsequent pressing is used for lower quality champagne. Once the juice is extracted, it is put into a stainless steel tank for fermentation. Yeast is added to convert the sugar in the juice into alcohol, which produces carbon dioxide, and thus the bubbles. The champagne undergoes the primary fermentation for 2 to 3 weeks. After the primary fermentation, the wines are tasted, and master blenders create the perfect blend by mixing wines from different grape varieties and vineyards to achieve the desired taste and quality. The blended wine is bottled, and a liqueur de tirage, mixture of sugar, yeast, and wine, is added. This mixture results in a secondary fermentation inside the bottle, which results in the dissolution of yeast cells, creating foamy bubbles. After the secondary fermentation, the bottles are placed on lees, dead yeast cells, and aged zur lattes, on the side, in cool cellars for at least a year. During this time, the wine develops its complexity, and the bubbles become finer and smoother. After aging, the bottles are riddled, which is the process of turning the bottles by hand towards a vertical position so that the lees settle at the neck of the bottle. This process is now commonly automated and takes around 4 weeks. Once the lees have settled, the bottles are opened, and the plug of yeast is removed by freezing the neck of the bottle. The final step is corking and wire hooding, where the bottles are corked and wired to hold the cork in place. The wire hood is then covered with a foil capsule. And the bottles are then labeled, branded, and packaged for sale. It's time to uncork the champagne from the bottle and pour it into a glass. The champagne is now ready to be enjoyed. Remember that the correct temperature to serve champagne is between 6–8 degrees Celsius. We hope you enjoyed learning about the process of champagne making. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.